Charles Harris here, the life insurance guy. Term life insurance. What is term life insurance? What does it do? What are some of the advantages? What are some of the benefits for us? Term life insurance it's a fixed amount of time. Typically, you're looking at 10, 20, 30-year terms. It expires at some point. During that term, though, you're covered for whatever that face amount is. For example, if it was $500,000 worth of coverage during a 30-year term, that's what you're going to be covered for. So term insurance, it gives you a larger death benefit for the cheapest price. It protects our families. It protects the future. It protects our future generations in case something happens to us. Because what if we're not here tomorrow? You know, how does our family go on? How does our future go on? How do we continue if they can't get by financially? And that's what it's there to do, to protect us and to give us. And there's actually an interesting dynamic within families in this country that have life insurance versus families that don't. Typically, the ones that do are wealthy, and typically the ones that don't, are middle class, not wealthy, lower income. And families that do, if they have a death, they actually prosper. Not that you would want that, but they're able to capitalize on that. The insurance companies pay them out money, whatever the death benefit was. Whereas other families who don't, not only don't they get paid money, but they lose an income. Now they have all these other expenses, and it just, the dynamics shift in a completely different way, all because of not having insurance. And unfortunately, that's just the reality, that we live in. So it's very, very, like, term insurance in general is very important, especially, to have for our family, to protect us. The only two drawbacks really to term insurance are, one, that it expires, and two, that we can't access it unless it goes to our beneficiaries because something happened to us and we pass away. But what if it didn't expire? What if your life insurance didn't expire and it was convertible? What if you can access that money while you were living? Would that be something that was important to you? Would that be something that you would find beneficial? Well, check out my next video, because I'm going to be talking exactly about that, how to convert a term policy or convertible term policies and policies, term policies with what's called living benefits. And that is money that's accessible to you while you are living. So until then, peace and blessings.